Now step 1, go to your WhatsApp. Click on the three dots and click on settings. Click on chats and then click on default chat theme. Now from this interface, you can select from the variety of themes available. Now by clicking on this button, you will change from dark theme to light mode. Now go back, click on chat color to choose your preferred color. Go back again and click on wallpaper. Now from here, there are various wallpapers available to use. So you can choose which one is best for you. Click on wallpaper. From the first option here, if you want to make use of any image from your gallery, be it your personal image or an image of your loved one, you can click on choose from gallery. And then from here, you can choose a random image or a preferred image to use as your chat. So you can preview the image. So let's say, for example, if you are going for this one, once you are done selecting your preferred theme, just click on the mark icon here. And you'll see an option whether or not to keep your existing theme. So it's up to you for that. So you just click on the set theme and you're good to go. Thank you for watching, guys. Kindly like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.